Hi guys, it's Priscilla, and today's lesson is going to be how to chain. When you see a pattern, you'll most likely, if it's for a scarf or a blanket, see chain however many at the beginning of the pattern. If you're new to crochet, this might confuse you, or you might say, well, how do I do that? I'm here to teach you. So I have my H hook. You're going to use whatever hook is on the pattern or whatever hook the yarn calls for, whatever it is that you want to do. This is the ends of my yarn, and then the rest is connected to my ball. I try to use a color that you'll be able to see the stitches, so we'll see how this works. Now, when you're going to start a chain, what I like to do is I like to wrap it over, hold it between two fingers. So right in the middle of your hands, you're going to hold it. This is the ends. You're going to take your part that's connected to your yarn, and you're going to loop it over like that. So you're going to kind of make an X. You see? You can hold the ends, make an X. I like to grab that with my pinky. I then take my hook, insert it through one, grab the other, and done. I have my first loop on my hook. So let's do that one more time. And pull from both ends and done. We're going to do it one more time before we get moving to the next step. Your ends, right? In between two fingers. Wrap this around the two fingers, bring it through the middle, X. You can hold that X with your thumb if you like. Hold the other ends with your pinky. Hook underneath. And then pull both ends. And there you have your first your first loop on your hook. So then what you do now is you take the long end, not your short end, the end that's connected to your ball of yarn, and you're going to wrap around as so and pull it through that loop that you had on your hook. And that's your first chain. So then you're going to continue that. Wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap it around and pull it through. Again, wrap it around and pull it through. So then if you see these little things, they look like a chain. You see? They look like a chain. So then you continue to do that for however many numbers the pattern calls for. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's a chain. Again, you pull over. So the yarn that's connected to your ball is right at the neck of your hook. And you pull that through the existing loop that's on your hook already. And that's it. That's how you make a chain. All right, guys, hope this video was easy to understand. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.